So I've been using Zathura like a fool for all these years when there's this much, much better PDF reader that a couple people put me onto. And it's one of those things that happens in open source software where someone's like, oh, you should try this, you should try this. And I'm like, I know like what stuff I have already and it works. And yeah, because it's easy to get into the like optimizing is totally a bad thing to do mindset. You got to just be doing real work. And sometimes you just got to optimize your workflow a little bit, you know? So sometimes like take some time to look into some other packages and whatnot. I don't know if anyone needed to hear that, but yeah, go do it. So this PDF reader, I can tell it's just got like every software green flag that there possibly is. So first of all, like the website, you can tell when a website is like built by like a real 10x developer. For some reason, this like square aesthetic and like slightly janky design, like you see like I don't know, this just like isn't correctly fully lined up. It's like there's something about it. It's maybe is it because it's human. I know there's all like controversy around like vibe coding, and stuff can be good in vibe coded and bad in vibe coded, but like you can tell a person did this. It's the same energy as like what's that website, McMaster Car. Yeah, that I don't know. It's like this aesthetic is just like very fresh and human, and this website is like it looks like a little bit ugly, but it's like they didn't hire fucking Brittany and her engineering team or her like visual design team out of RISD to do their website because they're like a massive firm that just has infinite like college babes doing random visual redesign. So it's not like too slick overall. If that makes sense. Like it's like janky homegrown organic software. But then onto the actual features of this thing. It's searchable. Yeah, sure, whatever. Like my PDF is searchable. Zathura is searchable. But then there's a couple other features that are like better. Smart jump. Okay, whatever. Zathura has that too. But portals, like having two sections next to each other in a textbook, that's just like built for doing like hard math or hard science. And you can see like these people know what's up. These people aren't reading like English major PDFs that are like poorly copied on a photocopier and are like half lined up. They're reading like real shit math where you have to spend like 18 hours on a question. They can't be having inconvenience like not having portal mode. And then I don't actually know how to say the project's name. Sioyek. Command palette, that's pretty awesome. I actually haven't seen that feature. What does that do? Oh, hell yeah. That's so much more Vim-like than Zathura. Command palette? That's sick. Portal mode? Oh my god. This is awesome. Keyboard focus, naturally. Sync-tex, I don't use LaTeX. But, yeah, you can tell they're the real deal if they've implemented sync-tex. Let's see. Visual ruler. I haven't seen that feature yet. Oh, that's nice. Oh my god, these guys are geniuses. I never knew I needed that feature. And it's highly configurable too. I was looking at this, like they have like a whole key configuration language and stuff. I didn't know they were like fully open. Actually, I don't know if they're fully open sourced or not. But source code, I thought they were like proprietary for some reason, but nope. Oh, yeah. You know these are 10x developers. They did not want to use C++. That's sick. Oh, my God. This software is awesome. So, actually, like, jumping into using it, let me pull up my OBS and kind of diminish this. So, I haven't fully configured it yet, but another killer feature. If you hit T... it's actually quite hard to see here. Can I zoom in? That's the max. Well, I can zoom in. I don't know. Basically what this is, if you look very closely, this is the table of contents, which Zathura had too, but this is like a fuzzy picker on the table of contents with page numbers. That's so sick. That's so clutch. You have no idea now in math how many like random definitions you need to know that are like you just have to check them over and over again, and like cross check them, and like every proof like is like an interdependence of these. Ooh, cool highlight color too. And like if I just need to jump to like I don't know, like what's a finite subcover? Oh, PDF reader quit, or I just have a weird binding. But that's a doc against it. I don't know what that feature was. Even if that was like a binding I have by default, hitting escape to close that, it's a little suspect, because like you close command palettes by hitting escape. They gotta fix that. Okay. But yeah, anyway. I guess they don't have a section title for cover, probably under topology of open sets. But yeah, then you can just jump there. That's so awesome. It's got Vim bindings by default. You can also, it allegedly has dark mode. The default binding for that is F8 maybe? Yeah. And the dark mode looks good. I just jumped to the bottom. Yeah, it looks pretty fast. It looks faster than Zathura's. So, yeah. Sorry, Zathura. You might have to go. I'll look more into the configuration of this, but yeah, just based on what I'm seeing here, jumping to like any area of this textbook, like that seems so useful. And you can add bookmarks. And you can name the bookmarks. That's useful. Oh, and then I bet with the command palette, which is, how do I open that up? Colon. Can I search bookmark? Let's look at bookmark. Go to bookmark. Oh, maybe it's go to. Oh, go bookmark, GB. No way, no way. GB. Oh, and then it searches over all your bookmarks. That's so awesome, dude. Holy shit. So if you do, if you do B to bookmark, okay, random bookmark. See if I can include spaces. Enter, and then if I go GB, oh, you can search through all your bookmarks. That is sick. That's an awesome feature. And I knew about it because of the discoverability of the command palette. These guys are real software engineers. This is an awesome project. And they have default binds for a lot of these things too, and it tells you the binding on the side. Oh my god. User experience engineers from another dimension right here. Add highlight. Link portal. Backspace control left. Next state. Yeah, these are some fucking nerds who built this. These guys are into smart shit. Next chapter. They have chapter bindings. Oh my god. You can open links with F just like Vimium. These guys have got to use Vimium too. Their visual mark mode. This is too good. This makes me want to contribute to this, but it's in like pure C. Rotate counterclockwise. Okay, rotations are kind of nice sometimes. Whoa, they have set config. Case insensitive search. That's really smart because then you can just like change, I don't know, basic settings just come up in the command palette. And they exposed all those as functions. That's clever. Yeah, this is just one of those projects where like you know it's serious. I'm curious if anyone has any tips or bindings, or there's probably a lot to this tool that I'm missing, but yeah. Zathura, I'm sorry. Oh, someone asked in the last video, how do you get it on macOS? I'm assuming you figured that out yourself. But if you didn't, the way to do it is there's a homebrew tab that I use to maintain. We still kind of somewhat do, but it's mostly this European kid that does the work on that for me. And yeah, I'm not sure how maintained that tab is. But if you want to contribute to it, it's kind of annoying because like, I don't know, there's C dependency libraries for Zathura that kind of break with macOS updates, and just keeping like parity with Zathura, sometimes it's a little bit of work to go and cross-check a couple things. And I don't really feel like doing it at the moment, so... Well, I'm jumping ship to this PDF reader. Yeah, goodbye, Zathura. Sorry if you're on the Zathura team and watching this. That must feel crushing. Hopefully they won't watch this. That would be bad. I would feel really bad. Because Zathura is great software, too. It's just, it feels a little older and clunkier. Okay, I'll catch you.